Hey guys, welcome back to the Gonzalez Life. I am out here with my dad right now. We're gonna put gas in the pressure washer so we can go pressure wash the house and it'll be painting tomorrow. Come along with us to go see what we're gonna do. Okay, now let's go pressure wash the house. We're at the house, we're gonna get started. We're gonna pull out the hose now. So that's the house right there. It's 2 stories. Yeah. We're gonna get started here. We got a new pressure washer, and with the long hoses, we don't have to take off the truck. We just leave it in the truck and wrap around the house. It's pretty nice. So we're gonna get started now.
You're right.
Yeah.
Now start from the top again. From the top. There you go. Let the water run.
Hey guys, we're all done here. Now we're gonna go eat. It was a pretty easy house to wash, and we're all done. So now we're gonna go eat at In-N-Out. I'm in In-N-Out. I have a cheeseburger and fries. That's a hard day's work. It's gonna be good. We're in In-N-Out and we're about to eat. The food looks really good.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.